Everybody, and welcome back to TMC Lifestyle. My name is Valerie. If it's your first time here, welcome. Please be sure to stick around, click that subscribe button, and if you would love to see how I did this nice, beautiful neutral look for the summer, stay tuned. All right, friends, so I went away and did my brows. I hope they came out okay. It's been a while, but we're gonna move on to the eyes. So we're going to apply some Urban Decay Primer Potion. You guys know I love this. Any primer you want to use, you use that. But I love the Urban Decay one. Next, I'm going to use a little bit of concealer. This is from LA Girl. This is in the shade Chestnut. I'm going to use this right on the lid. Since I'm using a lot of neutral shades, I really want it to pop against my dark skin tone. So I'm just going to even out my eyelids. And because I use my fingers and hands a lot, I'm gonna go ahead and use some of these Neutrogena wipes and wipe off the back of my hand and my fingertips so I don't transfer this all over this white desk. Next, I'm going to be using some of Anastasia Beverly Hills single eyeshadows. You can create your own little kit, and I have lots of them. I have about 3 of these things. This one is not quite full, but these are the neutral tones I'll be using, and I'm definitely going to put the names of the shades down below in the description box. I'm going to dip into a nice transition shade. This is a nice brownie shade. And there's a plummy shade I have right next to it. I'm gonna dip into that too. Kind of mix those two together. So just mixing that brown and that plummy shade together. The brown seems to be a little darker, so I'll keep that out here on the outer corner. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that to my other eye, and I'll be right back. All right, friends, so you can see that plummy brown juiciness going on the lid. I am going to go into the brow bone color. I'm using a highlighter for my brow bone color. It just looks so pretty. It's from Black Up Cosmetics. They call this their Sublime Powder, and it looks like that, but it is so pretty on dark skin tones. They have lots of shade, but they are beautiful. After I put the brow bone color up there, I'm gonna go back into that plummy shade just a little bit and kind of blend the brow bone color into that color, kind of create a marriage there. All right, as my actual lid color, I have this nice, pretty shimmery shade. I'm trying to think, am I gonna use my finger to apply it? I'm gonna try to apply it with a little brush first and see what it looks like. If I have to use my finger, I just have to. But let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's very pretty. Okay, going right back into that other brush, and we're gonna blend here. All right, so that's what we have on this eye. I'm not finished yet. It's gonna be very pretty. I'm trying to blend that transition color and that shimmery shade on the lid together. I don't want it to look too much like a cut crease. I want it to be a little bit more blurry, if you will. A little bit more smoky. All right, so that's what I'm working on. So I'm gonna go away and do this eyelid. You keep working, I'll be right back. Alrighty, friends, so I think I'm gonna add a little bit of black on the outer corner. Just a little bit. I'm gonna dip into this black matte shade and tap that on. Can you see it? That's right here in the outer corner. So we add a little something out there, a little something, something. I'm gonna do that to the other eye. And we're dragging it into the bottom lash line down here a little bit. All right, I'm going to apply a wing to this look. This is the Wonder Ink eyeliner by Rimmel. Looks like that. It's a felt pen, and I'm gonna try to apply a wing. It's been a while. So just keeping everything very close to the lash line until I get to the outer corner. When I know I feel a blink coming on, I take the eyeliner away. And that's what I have there. And now just to duplicate it on that side. These are the Kiss lashes. They're called the Muses collection. I'll have the name of the lash in the video because I cannot pronounce that. Don't want to butcher it. But it's a very pretty lash. Very, very pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera and come back and show you guys what these lashes look like. And I'll be right back. Alright friends, and those are the eyes with the lashes on. Very, very pretty. So now we're going to move on to the face. Alright friends, so I went away and I applied 2 different types of foundation. I applied the L'Oreal True Match in W10.5, which is too dark. You can see it's very dark. And then I applied the MAC NW47, which is a little bit too light. I mixed the 2 together and I got a very nice match. So I like these 2 together. So far, so good. All right, so we're just gonna do a little bit of highlight and contour. I'm using my CoverGirl, what is this? The CoverGirl True Blend concealer in the shade Bronze. And we do have a little bit of thunder and lightning, and I'm hoping my lights will stay on long enough for me to finish this look. And I'm going to apply a little bit of Derma Blend Warm Saffron under my eyes. All right, while that warm saffron is underneath the eyes, I'm just gonna apply a little bit of that deep plummy shade down there. You know we drug the black down here in the eye area. So I'm just going over that again. And I am going to apply a little bit of black liner, not much. This is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. It's in Perversion. Just in the outer corner. And then we're going to put a little bit of mascara down there. I'm gonna try my best to be careful. I always make a mistake here. Oh, it's a very good mascara. This is the one that had all the controversy of the young lady who I think she put on falsies and made everybody believe it was this mascara. But as you can see, it is a pretty good mascara. So I know she lied and everything. I believe they determined she did lie. I think she came back and apologized to something. Child, there's so much going on. But it is a good mascara. Like, I'm not doing too much and it's really pulling out my bottom lashes. It's making them look nice. And this is the L'Oreal Telescopic Lift. And even with all of the so-called lines she did, I don't know everything about it. But even after all that line they say she did, this mascara was still selling out. Like, you couldn't find it in the store. I think I got this through PR. I think I did. All right, so we're gonna use a little bit of this shade. It's not too dark, it's not too light. It's just good enough for a light contour, so that's what I'm gonna use it for. See, it's like almost the color of my natural skin tone. So it's not too much going on. This one is the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer, and this one is in the shade, oh, what does that say? Espresso. As an all over face powder, I use the Laura Mercier. This one is in medium deep. And I'm gonna take my CoverGirl Queen collection that I've been holding on to for dear life. I'm gonna use this. You guys remember this one? Look at the packaging. Everything has changed. This is like, you can't find this anywhere. But I think this got repackaged. I think it's similar. I wouldn't say it's the same formula, but they do have something similar. In this Anastasia Beverly Hills palette I've been using as a mirror, there are 3 blushes, and I'm so tongue-tied today. It's called the Berry Adore collection. I'm gonna just use the deepest shade here. All right, guys, so for my lips, I'm gonna be using the LA Girl the LA Girl Perfect Precision Lip Liner. These are pretty doggone good. I got these from Ulta. They were on sale for like $2 and something. Regular price, I don't really know, but I'll leave a link from below. I think they're running a sale right now. This is in the shade Chocolate. I don't really know if I like that as a lip liner. It's like it matches my skin tone too much. It's very creamy though. Let me see. It doesn't even look like I have nothing on. You might be able to see it, I don't know. Let's go a little deeper. I got a lot of these. Let's try Vamp. Let's just mix it in a little bit. Okay, so you see what Vamp looks like over the chocolate. All right, and I have a few lip glosses because I've really been into mixing lip liners and lip gloss, and I haven't been doing too much lipstick, but we'll see, we'll see. I do have some new L'Oreal lipsticks. They were sent to me through PR, so I think I'm gonna give you a shade every day coming up so you guys can kind of see what they look like. Right here in my hand, I have the Dose of Colors. I've been loving it. They don't have this color on this site anymore. I don't know why it was discontinued, what happened, but it's a beautiful shade. This one is in That's Cool. Look how pretty that is. I think I bought this during Christmas or, you know, something they had. And their lip products smell so nice. Smells like cookies. So do we like this look? I like it a lot. For a first look coming back, you know. It's very, very pretty. So you guys are going to see, wait, first of all, let me do my, what is this? The Urban Decay All Nighter. Let's spray that makeup setting spray. And while that's drying, oh, it smells like cucumber. While that's drying, let me tell you, you guys are going to be seeing this same blouse, this same makeup in the next 5 or 6 videos. I have a lot to get out to you. And while I'm all made up and pretty today, I'm going to be doing more videos. So there are going to be some nail videos showing you like the latest nail polishes. I have so many that I've swatched on Instagram, but I never brought to YouTube to talk to you guys about them. So we're gonna go through those really quickly. Not gonna hold you long with those videos. So if you see a video come up, just come on over there, give me a thumbs up, watch a few minutes of the video. I really appreciate you guys, and I love you so much. Hopefully you love this look. Again, check that description box. I'm gonna try my best to have everything that I use down there and links for things that I can find. And this hair, I'm gonna have a link for that down in the description box because I did my own crochets. I didn't record it, but I did do this myself and I think it came out pretty nice. So if you are interested in this particular soft lock, they're very light. Very lightweight. I can't deal with heavy hair. So this is very lightweight. I think you'll love it. I'll leave a link below. And that is it. I appreciate you guys once again. Cyber kisses. Bye.